Oh shit, huwag ka naman mag-lag. Huwag ka mag-lag. Ang lag no? Galag din kayo? Ang lag sa akin, di ako makapag-aim no. Miss game sa akin, di nga eh no.
Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start. Time for mission. Get ready.
Let's go! Battle points. May battle pass oh. Naka-beetle piece.
We can land here.
Kayo. Sana walang pumunta. Hindi, mayroon din itong legendary weapon eh. Pili din yan. Abot ba? Abot ba? No! No! Wait lang. Tignan. Pasa na lang tayo. Oy, ayun yung mag-drive. Ikaw, Jay. Hehe. Ghost Rider. Ghost Rider yan. Alat nang may galit kay Earl eh. Kiss mo nga. Kiss mo nga kung love mo talaga.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Charging. Uy, may chopper. May chopper, may chopper, may chopper. Ang aga-aga ba't naka-chopper kayo dito, ha? Lumayas kayo. Wala pa nga eh. Mahirapan na hanapin yun. Baka nga sa may ano lang yun eh. Yung bago pumasok dito.
Almost ready.
Tagong-tago. May kalaban sa'yo. Batistic.
Engaging the enemy. Enemy down.
Let's fly together.
Using first aid kit now. Engaging the enemy.
Sino nag-airborne dun?
Using bandages now.
Ang number mo ba, Jay? Ah, Jay. Jay. Patayin nyo na, patayin nyo na. Sino may ano? Chopper.
Airdrop has been delivered. The revived flight will arrive
Yeah,
in 1
he's in.
minute.
Yeah, scared lang.
Using first aid kit now.
Mag-ahayukin yan. Mag-ahadukin yan eh. Sakay! Sakay! Holy damage yun namin mag-gali yan. Super tayo yan. Ahadukin yan mamaya.
Using first aid kit now. Assemble. Let's fly together.
Bandages now. Using bandages now.
Holy damage! Rolling!
Using bandages now.
Using first aid kit now.
Eh,
Airdrop has been delivered. Fuel ship ready for upgrade.
holy shit. Arat! Drive!
Using bandages now.
Drive! Ayaw mag-drive eh. Makulit.
The revived flight will arrive.
Big hit. Engaging the enemy. I'm down.
Sakit, Toy! Dito, dito! Ang sakit!
Your teammate has been killed.
Down. Eliminated.
Don't give up. You can still return to the battle.
First aid kit now. I'm down.
Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tags and help them return to the battle.
Tapakan mo yung boss. Saan pupunta? Dog tags.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Yung dog tag.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Your teammate has scanned your dog
Drive.
tag. Wait for the revive flight. The safe zone is collapsing.
Bahay ka muna. Ano ba yan? Hill! Na nag-aalit. Namiss ko tuloy si Father. Galing-galing ko pa naman magpiano. Galing-galing ko pa naman magpiano. Tinuruan ako.
Your teammate is on the revive flight.
Pianist.
You have returned to the battle.
Pianist yung pianist. Taray naman, Father. Diner tayo, Jay. Ang layo mo, Jay. Dito. Gamit ko pa naman yung legendary pistol.
The revive flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Legendary pistol lang, malakas. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video.
Using adrenaline shot now.
Oo nga, ang laki nun.
Using adrenaline shot now.
Hindi naman din na yun nahanap ko, wala akong baril eh. Gusto mo mag-heal ako magdamag? Legendary pistol lang meron ako eh. Ow! 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 Tulong!
I'm down.
Dito! Bakit naman nun?
Teammate has been killed. Get the
Visit
dog
yun.
tag.
Dalawa.
Return to the battle.
Dalawa nga eh. Kuha lang.
Feels good to fly.
Airborne na, nag-airborne na. Airborne na.
Engaging the enemy zone. Enemy eliminated. Hurry up and get out of this smoke.
Engaging the enemy. I'm down.
Sakit no? Sakit ba?
The airdrop is coming.
Been delivered.
Papa AJ, mag-open mic ka na.
Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tag. Return to
AJ,
the
ba't mo
battle.
ka yung mic?
Don't give up. You can still return to the battle. Chip terminal is almost ready. The safe zone
Okay,
is
ano mo na lang
collapsing.
para ano. Hindi minus points. Minus points tayo sa langit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Naka-engine seat ka, tas naka-decatro. Holy shit. Uy, San Roque, doon ako nag-aaral. Joke lang, gagi. Uy, yung nag-reborn, no? Mang, ano ka? Bundok, taas. Basta walang hanggang amin. Ang gagawa mo sa buhay mo. Sasayang ang putik. Yan.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Boom. Boom. Go, Jay. Kasi nagpakita ka. Alis, alis, alis na. Safe play ka lang. Sila paglabanan ko.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Ang dami, ang dami. Pasok na, huy. Radiation.
The safe zone is collapsing. The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Harap mo meron.